Let's review how to use the Settings section on Toolkit.law. Selection Settings section from Home page. The Settings section is the central control panel for your account, allowing you to manage every component of your Toolkit.law experience in one organized environment. At the top of the page, you'll find the Account Information accordion. Here you can review your account plan and other details. Below this, the Connected Accounts accordion lets you link external storage services. The Contact Information accordion allows you to update your email and phone numbers, etc. Additional sections such as customer support, education information, and emergency information help maintain accurate records for communication and safety. The Header Left Toolbar accordion allows you to customize up to 15 external bookmarks, helping you access your most important online destinations quickly. You'll also see tools for managing your financial activity inside Toolkit.law. These include internal payments, purchases, sales, and My Services. Professional information allows you to list your career details, credentials, and practice-related data. And that is how you use Toolkit.law Settings page.